Solar Energy by Joe, Max, and Jules.
Oh, I didn't see you there. My name is Joe Bellafiore, and this is my sister, Jules.
Do I smell money?
Why, yes, Jules. This is the money you could be saving if you switched to solar power.
Does switching to solar power really save you money on your electric bill?
Does Lil Wayne really have $150,000 of diamonds in his mouth? What a nice day. The sun is really shining. Like it does every day on planet Earth.
Solar energy is created by the sun, which emits energy. The energy that is given off can be used as a heat source or as an energy source. The energy is gathered up by special mechanisms. Solar energy is collected from three types of collectors: flat plate, focusing, and passive collectors. The flat plate collector is solar panels arranged in a simple plane. The focusing collector is a flat plate, but with optical devices to enhance the radiation. A passive collector takes radiation and converts it to heat. Sunlight is made up of tiny little packets of energy, called photons. Every minute, enough of this energy reaches the Earth to meet the world's energy demand for a whole year. Photovoltaic panels consist of many solar cells. These are made of materials like silicon. The individual cell is designed with a positive and negative layer to create an electric field, just like in a battery. As photons are absorbed in the cell, their energy causes electrons to become free. The electrons then move to the bottom of the cell and exit through the connecting wire. This flow of electrons is what we call electricity.
Solar panels then take in these photons and convert it into direct current electricity. Throughout the day, an inverter converts the direct current electricity into household current electricity. This type of electricity is the kind that is able to be used in our houses. Wireless monitors then track how much electricity your solar panels are creating and how much you are using.
In the process of making solar energy, no waste products are produced. The only waste products produced are in creating the apparatus and the photovoltaic cells, which only creates minimal waste. Photovoltaic cells are the object that directly converts light into electricity.
Solar energy is by far the Earth's most available energy source and is capable of providing many times the current energy demand. Covering 4% of the world's desert area with photovoltaics could supply the equivalent of all the world's electricity. Germany is the top producer of solar energy in the world, followed closely by Japan and the United States of America.
Three advantages of solar energy is the lack of pollution generated by producing the energy. Solar energy has a completely renewable energy source and the ability to harness energy in remote locations. Three disadvantages of solar energy is the initial cost of equipment. Pollution and cloud coverage can lessen the efficiency of the photovoltaic cells, and the possible blockage may occur from surrounding buildings.
Solar energy has become of increasing importance to industrially developed countries as the use of fossil fuels has become problematic, with its effects of global warming and pollution. Fossil fuel reserves are limited, where renewable energy sources, by definition, are not. Our energy sources today come from burning coal, which involves the deforestation of our environment. This has been proven as one of the direct factors of global warming, and the forests are disappearing quickly. However, solar energy is a completely renewable source that has no negative effects on the environment. This graph shows that solar energy has the highest potential, capable of providing all the world's energy for a year with just 1 hour of sunlight. Therefore, it is no surprise that in a recent poll, when asked, if there is no financial or technological restriction, which of the following alternative energy resources do you prefer to power your automobile? Almost 40% of voters chose solar power as their preferred source. This graph shows the global sources of energy in 2006. Surprisingly, solar energy contributes to less than 0.5% of total energy.